ng panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan, buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mong naiiyot. Ano namang ibigay sa ha? Ang tulad mong hindi-hindi magsalaho.
Magsawa kayo ba noon? Iwan ko lang kung di siya magsawa.
Napapansin sa iyong
ano daw? Mga kapaligiran.
Kay dumi na ng
ano yan? Naroon ka na kabino natin ang
certain kind of life.
Sino? Bakit? Si Ate Dang nanonood. Lapo binmot. Wunlatan ako ng matanaan.
Ma'am Dang, support ka na lang.
Nagtagari ka. Buya kalaktan, huwag ko na blatan. Ni Kiwi.
I have love you only.
Saan to ko nung sakit nagkatan, babe?
Magandang tayo na medyo alam natin.
Ayan, yan, maganda yan. Maganda yan. Di mo ba niya pag-ibig ko sa'yo totoo?
Ayan, dyan tayo.
Mula sa kabila eh.
Hello song.
Mas marami kong kaibigan
The
dito.
next song title is
When you say, ganun ata? When you say, I miss the
when you see. Ang unahan ko siya. You did. I just want to get back close again.
Ilocano ate, Ilocano. Sister pala.
But for now, your voice is near enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow, all the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much. Ganun lang ang buhay. Next lang. Hindi maganda.
Ano yan? Parang ako lang. Ako nga yan eh.
Hindi ako. Hindi muna.
Utak ka.
Kung sakaling ikay papajuso.
Hindi pa ngayon. Damdama abi. Alam mo ora yun. Nga ito Saudi Got Talent na to be.
Kung darating man ang isang araw,
Pada kami.
isang di na matanaw, titigil sa pag-ikot ang mundo, dahil wala ka na sa piling ko. inagaang mabuhay pa. Dalhin mo na ang araw at ang buwan na di nasisikat pa, Diyoso. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang puki ko. Pagkat ito ay di napapadyuso sa titi mong tuliit na kirot.
Yo, Tiger.
Ang tangi ko na lang pakiusap, huwag kang umiyot ng ibang pepe. Huwag sana akong kalimutan, tinusok mo ang puki
Mamaya!
pa-virgin.
Aman, ito na pudot.
Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko.
Okay?
Pagkat ito ay di natitibok sa bukid mong puno na ng iyon. Ang tangi ko na lang pakiusap, umiyot ka ng puking pa-virgin. Huwag sana akong kalimutan kapag ika'y nalabasan. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, kung sakaling ikaw ay bayot, kung sakaling ikaw ay padyuso. Ba't kasi may mga ganyan?
Kaya nga. Ay, kala ko touchscreen. Sorry naman.
Stop on you.
Hanga pa hana ka tayo, be. Pang San Isidro.
Pangmista yung ano? Pangmista.
Lugar dun sa Abra. Pang San Isidro, tas taga San Isidro ng Orlapas. UN.
Last na to. Maglalaban na.
Ako mo, brabe. Ni Marimar. Ni Marimar. Malagdi ka na naman daw. Huy, shucks, taga San Isidro, bagtit. Ibahu, taga San Isidro, diyay.
Oh, the man I am, you are the reason for me. And hello, Marimar. Sino si Marimar? Si Abraham?
Si Lapas Macdo.
Oh, Lapas Macdo. Hello.
Si Jamil yan, Jamil. Babe, I love you.
Siya na lang last. Nang makita ka, aking sinta, nasabi ko sa sarili, ikaw na nga. Ngunit nalaman ko na ang iyong na mayroong na palang nagmamayari nito. Masyado akong nasaktan, lungkot ang nararamdaman. Paano na ako? Paano na ba Sana'y malaman mo, baby, I love you. Hanggang ngayon, ako'y iyong mapansin. Sana'y iyong damit ang bulong ng damdamin sa aking munting awitin. Ako'y maghihintay sa habang buhay hanggang sa araw na ika'y muling malaya. Baby, I love you, mahal kita. Baby, I love you, walang iba.
Damdamag, ginong kami.
Baby, I love you. Saan nakakali?
May kon pa siya talaga, oh. Naka-YouTube, Netflix, parang video.
Ang bulong ng damdamin sa aking munting awitin. Ako'y maghihintay sa habang buhay.
Nagtagarin.
Mahal kita, baby, I love you, walang iba. Magpakailanman, sana'y malaman mo, baby, I love you, sana'y malaman mo.
Ali, paano ito inagsali? Ali, paano ito i-NX? Ay, hindi ko makabisado ito sa kanya. Ali? Paano i-NX to?
Saan ay ito? Ito na next na siya. Hanggang kailan magtiis? Nasaan mo na ito? Hanggang kailan magtiis? Ang puso kong nagnanais na kahit minsa'y madilim ang daing ng pag-ibig. O kahit tagal nang nagdurusa, hanggang ngayon'y umaasa. Baka sakaling mahalin, bago yung damdamin, bago yung damdamin, araw-gabing naghihintay.
Paano to next, Ali? Paano to next?
Next.
I-next, oo.
Sa remote mo.
Ah, okay. Hindi sa cell. Ah, okay. Tagtaga rin na, be. Yung Ilocano na pupunta dito dati. Yan.
Yan. Charot.
Pakita mo braso mo.
Parang lalaki nakakadiri.
The winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around.
Kaya mo yan.
Lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made. Nang may pinagpikipikil mo, tama.
Kaya mo beta, pagkupakalag mo, tamay mo. Huwag kang maingay, be. Malaman nila. Baka nag-sign tayo dito.
Ay, yung paminsan mo sa akin.
One way ka ito na pagkapugulag. Ang halik mo naririnig, sinusumpang ako ay mahal mo. Paminsan-minsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik, at aminin ko hanggang ngayon ika'y iniibig. Hinihiling ko na kahit nasaan ka man, isipin mo ako kahit paminsan-minsan lang.
Halika na, be! Kanta tayo!
Paminsan-minsan tinititigan larawan mo, unti-unting pumapatak ang luha ko. Pinagsisihan lahat ng aking pagkukulang, kaya ikaw sa akin ay lumisan. Kahit ngayon mayroon akong iba, kahit sinasabi mahal ko siya, sa puso ko ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko. Paminsan-minsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik, at aminin ko hanggang ngayon ika'y iniibig. Yan, basa-basang kilikili ko na.
With the softness in the night, I wish was your command until you run out of love. I tell myself I'm free,
Ang kanta eh.
get a chance of living just for me, life. No need to hurry home. Now that you're gone, life.
Cuts na yung panay pala yun.
That's the juice. How will I ever leave? I'm so deeply wounded now.
Wala na si Yunri.
Hintuin mo ko dyan, mag-carry lang ako.
Ay, wow.
Maka-live tayo.
Paano mo? Ay, yung na papi, hindi ko kilala. Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko alam yan. Taon ko yun.
Paano ang puso?
Paano ang puso ko kung wala ka? Mangarap lang ba nag-isa ang makapiling ka langit sa akin dahil sa pagsuyong naghari sa akin. Nasaan ka man ngayon, mag-ingat ka sana. Yan ang
Wala pang sala, Ali, no? Ali, wala pang sala, no?
Meron na.
Ha?
Meron na.
Malay na ba? Malapit na. Meron na, wala pa.
Parang may narinig na ako.
Paano yung gusto, Ali?
Yan.
Saan?
Back.
Ay, puta ka, di ko alam to.
Hindi, bading. Pwede mong pindutin ang back, pwede mong pindutin ang YouTube ko. Ay, sa TV
Ay,
yan, bading. Pwede na.
Sala ba yan?
Oo.
Us, mamaya na lang, puta ka. May serbal, puta ka.
Hindi, bading. Magsasal ka.
Sita tayo. Pagkatapos na lang.
Pat lang. Habang nag-ano kayo, magluto kayo ng ulam. Go! Pusin mo na yung bading. You started na.
Yung bigas ko hindi na dumating. Bumili ako.
Ay!
Sorry.
Sarap sana kung
Ano
may
na? Nakalimutan mo?
Yung?
I-send?
Yung alin?
Ay, hindi na sabi. Bigas.
Hindi ko ba nasabi? Sabihin mo.
Huwag na muna kasi nakabili na
Kiri
ako.
lang. Ala, oo nga no.
5 days akong hindi kumain.
Alam na yan, magpa-deliver na yun ng
Ala, wala
topic.
talaga. Wala talaga.
Oo. Bumili
Bumili
ako.
tayo topic. Kaso magsayang na.
Topi?
Sakto after sub.
Sana.
Kahit chicken lang.
Pwede yan.
Pwede natin. Di ba chicken lang?
Luto na lang tayo.
Oo. Ay wala namang. Ano lang nga ang ulam namin dyan eh. Tuna lang.
Ako wala isos di bumbong pakpak baw.
Anong lutuin natin?
Mga titi natin, ituwi na natin.
Wala pa naman kasing mga kandyan, oh, kainan, no?
Sa?
Sa baba, naayos pa yung
Uy, yung
kapsalan.
isang pakala, no? Operated na.
Mas mura daw eh, 25 yung bigas nila.
Siyempre, magpapakitang Gilas muna yun. Gilas Pilipinas ang tawag to.
Mamaya, be.
Gilas Saudi Arabia.
Anong pa natin?
STC hat. Hello, pre-book iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Fire.
Paluto
My
pa.
STC application. Pre-booking
Manok.
period from October 16, 2020 until October 22,
May mga palit. Palitan ko na.
2020. Have a great fuck.
Ba't wala pang sapot?
Kaya nga wala pa. Wala kang manok dyan, be.
Walaysious
Palitan na lang natin.
Walaysious libumbong pakpak daw.
Pakpak!
Walaysious din. Wala na akong stacker loot. Tignan mo to, gatas na lang na.
Hindi, meron ako doon.
Ano naman loot's way? Open
Paano
toast
natin
na.
kaya adobo or
Meron ako 1 kilo doon.
na?
Pakpak.
Anong loot's way naman?
Kahit ano.
Darker.
Sinigang.
Kahit ano na basta may...
Wala naman din tayong vegetable eh.
Meron ako. Lettuce.
Go,
Kompleto
kunin
mo
lahat
na.
yun.
Pero wala akong sinigang na pan.
Meron kami dyan.
Nalipunin ko.
Parang walaysious libumbong pakpak daw na.
May na-jolly ka ho. Kainin ko muna kung ano kasi. Panay na nakaramdaman ng tiyan ko. Tayo magmumukbang ng pipino with love.
Gagayahin ko po. Gagayahin ko po.
Saxophone.
Wala nang salat. Tapos na. Eh, wala naman pala siyang lyric. May lyrics yan? Walaysious
Hindi ka dyan.
for the meantime.
Pang-romansa to ah.
Amoy na amoy yung buhok ko.
sali? Tapos ang sarap? Bakit dito lang tayo?
Ari ka na.
Dito lang siya pero... Ben, nilalito ko na kasi pinahan ko man maraming sarap. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. Oh, nothing is ever sure. Never was for more than you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Maraming movie next year. Sana makasama natin ang best mo. Kaninong timbayan ba yun? Huh?
Actually sa akin, yung meron nila ginagamit.
Kala ko hindi mo ginagamit.
Kung wala nang gamit, okay lang.
Hinihin ko sana kasi
Wala ka ganyan, ang daming ganyan ni Roger.
Saan si Roger?
Hindi ka sa kanya.
Ngayon? Meron din dyan?
Itatapon lang niya.
Nandiyan ngayon? Meron
Wala siya ngayon dyan, sa Tinggalit.
Ha?
Yung tatangaya tapos kunin mo. Ako kukuha. Eh, may bus naman kami doon. Ito yung sakay ko.
Wala naman akong pan.
Hindi ka sa kanya.
Yung?
Hindi ka sa kanya. Tapos pag-uwi namin, eh...
Wala naman akong kapak niyan kasi.
Sa bus namin. Sa bus namin. Sa bus namin.
Dapat ilagay mo sa drive mo sa ayan mo.
Much I love you, one thing you can be sure of, I never lost my mind. I had to live my life again without you. The next song title is Never by Tranquil Living. Political. Hello song.
Mega? Baka next week pa daw kayo. Kasi kakuha lang ako.
Would you come with me when you know the you had to go? How could you watch me sleep so close to you, pretending not to know? How could you memorize my name and forget who I am? could you think you're still the same? Believing I can't, it's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain, later than that never to love you again. How could you ask for more without an innocent smile, trusting me to stay? How could you close the door and leave me here, supposing I'm okay? How could you break the daddy down?
Feeling ko mabaho yung hair ko sa nilagay ko man.
Ano? Pwede bang, hindi ka pa tapos?
Sarap na.
Sarap natin. Namimig sa labo. Diba parang di ano lang.
Ay, nandito.
People say that I'm a fool, but I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, a drifting cloud, with eyes wide open. I would just not to see you. I don't want another anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you make me darling please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. Now I don't want to see you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Bahala ka maghabol ng lyrics.
Go, push.
Dapat. Nyam. I was wrong when I hurt you, but you had to hurt me too. Did you think revenge would make it better? I don't care about the past, I just wanna love to last. There's a way to bring back us together. I must forgive you. Hindi ko alam yan. Beauty and the Beast. Magkano kayo yung Bluetooth na wireless na no? Siguro yung wireless. You would always ask me those words I say, and tell me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Hold me, and you will see the love I give for you still hold the key. Every single day, you always up this way. For how many times I've told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Betsoy, Betsoy. Tuloy mo sa'yo.
Ay, wala. Hindi ko
Wag
na.
ka, wag mo pilipan.
Oo.
You will see the love I give, for you still hold it. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you, love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Thank you, Bunso.
Starting salary mo ay 15,000 pesos per month. Pagkatapos ng 3 months, i-increase ang iba. Gamit 25.
Hoy.
Hey, kakaloy ko malaga.
Kanina pa yan?
Bata mo ng uso.
Special girl like you, from a simple life, so in love with you. I mean, I got much to show.
Kere, maganda ito dito. Hindi, ano yan? Ha? Ay Roger yan, ano yan ka? Sa puso.
To take you where you
Patay ko nga yan.
never find yourself.
Wala. Wala, hindi nagsaksak yan.
So unfair, you can count on me to stay. It takes some time to listen to this ordinary song. It's an ordinary song to a special girl like you.
so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make a glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do.
Saka si Albert.
Labas na rin ang pagka-rockstar.
If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. It's an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Magkabi ka? Hindi ka salamat.
Isa lang ang watcher natin.
Gusto lang ang viewer.
Sino siya?
Be, paano yung next to, Be?
حليب شوكولاتة مزيج
ريموت
فريد
نمرين.
أول الطريق
Saan dito ga?
معه أحلى
Na?
Saan dito yung next?
Oh, yan.
Dito no?
Might be you.
Eh, hindi ko gusto ito.
Hindi ko makita yung... Di mo makita yung kulot mo. Di mo makita ng Albert.
Nanonood ba sila?
Kanina.
Si Samuel.
Siya yung pinakalas. Wala na, isa na lang.
When the visions surround you,
I thank you, Lord.
break fears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll keep you whole, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should go was standing here all alone, and I will take you in my arms and hold you tight where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promised you. Woo! This I promised.
Pa, no?
Wala pa.
Mayroon na.
Lahat ng bagal eh. Love you forever, lifetimes before, and I promised you never will you hurt anymore. I gave you my world, I gave you my heart. This is a battle we've won, and with this vow, forever has now begun.
Mare. I know this feeling won't go away. Life is true. Joe. Don't know what I don't know what to do. I love you in my mind, but I know that there will come a time I'm feeling this feeling inside. You're a hopeless romantic, is what they say. Pulling in out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want me. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I have love you and I always will. Easy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Those thoughts of you keep haunting me, holding you, a feeling unnever of you. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can fill that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not made. When I thought I was over you. Ay, plastic. Alam mo naman ang when I thought I could say no. Sige. Ano mga ano yan, Bon Jovi yan, kuya, no?
Air supply.
Ay, air supply pala, oh, pala.
Taas-taas mo.
Kaya ang tatas ng boses nila.
Pati siya,
One-sided love broke the season of paradise.
Huwag mo tagalin, huwag mo tagalin. Dito.
Girl, you would understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of heart, then you know what I felt apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of heart. I never wish lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I choose to play the fool. One day may come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you'll feel just like I do. If we had exchanged so far, then you'll know how I fell apart. You'll feel the pain when the memories come. If we had exchanged so far, will time turn the tables? Soon I'll be able to find a new romance, and then you'll remember my love was tender. Too late for us to take a chance.
Mahirap mawit siya. Taas na, hirap. Meow. Meow. Beautiful in my eyes. Saan ka ka? Nag-usay?
Hindi, tinanong ko yung ano.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. Alam? You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. My only prayer is that you realize in my eyes the world will turn. Beautiful in my eyes. Sometimes when we touch, you ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you for what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I hope to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Romancing all its strategy keeps me bothering with my pride, but through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my truth, a hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I hope to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I'd like to break you and drive you to your knees. At times I'd like to break you and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you try. I watch the wall that commands you, and I watch the love pass you by. At times I think we're creatures, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister. But then the passion flares again. And sometimes when we touch, the oddities is too much hell, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. Patas yun. Thank you for listening. Ayan, maganda yan. Frozen tears, it was hard to days. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. And deep inside, is my love still alive? And God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it will be forever. I give you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No one can ever love you, no, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Mapal ka man, oh. Even though I'm alone and I try to be strong, but baby I'm crying silent tears without pride, and I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose 'cause I'm playing the fool. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, baby, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, baby, I'm dying for your love.
Zion.
And if I ever lose, if I ever lose your love. Nagtataas naman kasi, charot. Kahit mababa naman.
Kahit yung mga semi ano lang naman.
Lagi naman ang boses mo panalo. Aminin mo din.
Magsabay ka muna dyan. Mamaya ka na.
Hindi mo lang yan.
Two less lonely people.
I was
I
down,
was down.
my
When
dreams
you
were
were
empty.
empty, when you lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to breathe from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smile, and I reach out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't read your mind. In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. What am I happy? Looking back, how did I exist? I dream, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles came true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe your mind. In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world.
Ang taas na yan, ayoko na yan. Tama na yan.
Hoy, i-repeat mo nga yun, ayusin ko.
Puta ka?
Ha? I-repeat mo. Bitawan mo dyan, baka may static ako.
Ayaw mo pa yan? Oh, tama nga.
Ayusin ko yung mga kalokohan. Vocalization.
I was down, my dreams were empty. When you've lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to drift from day to day, looking for the path that never came my way. Take a smile, and I reach out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we passed, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life when everything was wrong, some things finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Ganon! Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Bakit hindi tayo pinayaan ng boses na?
Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seems to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here now. There, two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life when everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people.
Daming tules-tules. Kaya nga. Mamaya, sampay ka muna ka dyan.
Ayusin mo ah?
Sampay ka muna dyan.
Ayusin mo ba?
Bakla, version ko naman.
Mamaya, magsampay ka muna dyan. Balikan mo mamaya. Ay. Nice. Tama ba?
Ay, parang alam ko yan.
Go.
Kailangan mo.
I can't stand the light.
Last na lang ito, maglalabas
Go!
ako.
Nanginig ka lang.
I can't stand the light. I'm not that night. I'm just out to find the better part of me. I'm more than a bird, I'm more than a plane, I'm more than some pretty face beside a train, and it's not easy to be me. Wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie, but I won't, I never see. It may sound absurd, but don't mean I. Even the heroes have the right to plead and be disturbed, but what we can see. Even heroes have the right to dream, and it's not easy to be me. I popped it away, away from me. When it's alright, you can all sleep sound tonight. Not crazy or anything. No, I can't stand to fly. I'm not that night. Men weren't meant to ride with clouds between their knees. I'm only a man, a city red sheet, begging for kryptonite on this one-way street. And only a man in a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me, inside of me, inside of me.
Ah. Hindi masyado. He. I. Part 2.
Hindi siya Manila, kasi hindi siya Manila. Dieta. Oregano. She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She
Over the good times, she's down in the bad. Never one discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you.
Ginos ko siya. Diba to?
I can tell how much trouble she makes them all seem right. Kanino yan? Ako. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow. I told her things that I wanna do, but girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her? Never am away. How can I say it's you think of every single night and day? But when is it easy?
Take someone with her, a girl. Help me tell her about you.
How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do, what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. Oh, so girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
Ilang kapo yan?
Ay, may ilaw pala. Hindi ko lang napansin.
Gold siya. Gold.
Tingnan mo dito.
Gold.
Yung
Susi.
ito oh. Saan ka ba?
Somewhere down the road. Hello, Somewhere down the road. Actually, ako siya.
Maganda siya, no?
Kanina mo nakuha?
Hindi, pinaspray ko ng gold.
Kanina?
Kay Toko ko.
Parang gusto kong magpa-spray rin.
Hindi naman lang pala yung spray na yun. Bili nga ako.
Yung ano tawag doon?
Yung ano?
Oo. Yung spray. Oh, ha?
Raining down.
Gold siya.
One friend. Siyempre alam ko yun.
Pero wag mo muna siyang gamitin.
Hello, song. The next song title is One Juice.
always know that you're the best.
Gagatuloy mo!
Gaga, take
Maganda
two.
yan!
Take 2. Ay, bakit just once na agad? One friend muna tayo.
I-cured
Ay,
na.
yung pa rin.
Ngayon na natin siya i-cured ng ano, ng worry.
Magalaw na pala. Wala nang tulugan to?
Wala na.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause here we are back where we were
Yabi.
before.
Abi-dabi.
Seems nothing ever changes. We're about to be strangers, wondering if we have to stay. We're right on out the door.
Sino mag-kwan
Just once, can we figure out what we keep going on?
Going wrong.
Why we never last forever?
Very low.
What are we doing
Pati
wrong?
ng tulong ko.
Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get through it, I know we could break it through it all.
Give my all, but I think we only have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anyway. Seems we're always blowing, whatever we've been going. And it seems the time is all we got. We haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good time never lasts for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we should be praying.
to do it just once. I want to hold you.
Anong luto yun?
Oh, ito is come back.
Bading, nasabi mo na kay ano? Nasabi mo na? Niluluto daw niya?
Can we get ourselves a name?
Parang nahiya ako. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya. Sinabi ko lang.
Hindi yun.
Sana siya.
May lumalabas daw.
Meron.
Nasaan? Naiyak ko din.
Ako naman bading girls.
Si Ali magbigay. Eh, magsabi.
Guys,
Ikaw magsabi ako.
Like and say.
Si Kuya o si Papa?
He will bring the lights and shed colors on the trees. He will blind the species, believing what he sees. He will lay down on the ground beneath the lawn. He will sleep forever if you try to sit him. Yum, 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 yum.
at kasi kinakanta yung hindi alam.
Nasa yung kilay, pang kilay mo. Kilayin kita, Ali. Ali, kilayin kita.
Eh?
Ama, magaling ako.
Go habang kumakanta tayo.
Dali na.
Kilay challenge habang kumakanta. Dali na.
Nakakatawa. Baka hindi niya feel. Kasi hindi niya feel ka. Ha? Naglinis siya ng ano yun. Naglinis ng exhaust. So, ganyan siya kapag nag-ano.
Sige lang mga kami naman.
Sinong gagawa?
Kami ni Chris.
Sige, kayo na lang.
Pity goes away, trusting love to pay, finding out too late that you will lost, never letting go. They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream I love.
Patingin niya.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Got to believe in magic.
Yung ginawa ko sa
Kaya maganda yan. Maganda yan, Ben. Magkikilay mo? Yung pisngi mo na.
Perhaps live my life without you near.
Bye-bye na tingnan.
The dance will not be.
Magkakawa niya magbabalat.
The night would seem so.
For sure, mainit kasi yan eh.
But you must see forever, oh so foreverly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know down that us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my world like you, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change me. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I have you see forever true. Hold me now, touch me now. don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You gotta know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You have to know by now how much I love you. The world might change, no one like you, but nothing's gonna change my love. Woo!
Wala nang nanonood. Nagsawa na sila sa atin. Sige lang, be.
Covers PH version. Paging all the passengers of Cebu Pacific 53888, please proceed to the river right now. I'm sure I'm in control, a lady with a plan. Believing that life is a little bucket, a hole in my hand. I've got it together, take on me the dirt. Who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love.
I'm fired out of control, I'm just another fool. You touch me when I'm weak, your feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That one thing you look all over your face.
Bali, magluto ka na, huwag ka nang kumanta dyan. Ay, hindi sa
I'm just what you make me, and when you make me, and set all my feelings free. Diyan muna ha. Ali! Ali Bayot! Yo, Bayluya! Sa kabila? A kid of school, a far out of control, just another fool. Touch me when I'm weak, never felt like. Sige ba na? From your hand, let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains.
Bading!
Home alone in lanes of the sky, for this dark and lonely room, riding the shadows casting gloom, and miles of mirrors of the world outside. Ha?
if tomorrow never comes. Kalaan sa kalokohan na chismisan. And do I have to save the world?